Hello guys, welcome to our new tutorial. In this tutorial we will be talk on how to run for first time the EC2. So let's do the practical process. When you log into your AWS console, so you can see this profile and also these things. So you can go for searching of all the services that AWS provide from the search button. So like every service is available from here. If you want to find it, any service, you can search it, or you can go from this list. But the easy way is the EC2 searching, or for the other services is the search. So for example, if I search EC2, so I see there is the EC2 services, and there is a short definition of each services there. Like for EC2, they say virtual services, a virtual server in the cloud. So when you click on that one, you face with this screen, and this is the environment that you can make your EC2 run. So you can click on the launch instances. When you click on the launch instances, there is a big list of the instances. So you can, for example, at the beginning you can put your name for your EC2. For example, I can give to them test EC2, and from here we can choose the Amazon machine images. Like there is different operating system that's already ready with different software already installed, and different versions. Like there is Amazon Linux, Mac, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, and there is a lot of different types of Amazon machine image or AMIs that's already ready to use it. So based on the organization requirement, or based on the requirement that we have it with our hands, we can choose from any of these AMIs, one of them, and we run it. So because we are using for educational purpose, so there is some of them is free without any cost. Like you see, there is Amazon Linux 2023 kernel 6.1 AMI, and also 6.12 AMI, and also there is only deep learning based AMI with single CUDA. Like different, some of them is free. When you see the free tier eligible, that means that is for learning purposes. So we can use the first one. For example, let's go for the Amazon Linux, the first one, and in description they say all of the things like about that AMI, like which feature they have, all of the details is there for that one. After that, we can choose for the instance type, like from which family that we will be, which size of memory you want, which generation you want. Like there is a lot of them. If you see, there is a lot of, like you see T3 micro, and we will be discuss the all of the versions in the next lectures when we reach to the different selection of that, the prices like that one. So we will be discussed on that time. For now, I want to teach to you how to run our first instance. So because of that, we choose only the free trial one of that one, the T3 micro, And also there is a keep here. So for now, because this is our first time, so we don't have any keep here still now, so we want to process without a keep here. We will be choose that one. If we have the keep here, so that will be in the list and we will be choose that one. But because we start right now, so we don't have any keep here up to now, so we choose we want to go without the keep here. And for the networking, there is all of the informations if you want it, like if you have the security group, that is another lecture that we want to discuss it in the future. Like you see, there is how to create, or if you have already our security group, we have it to select the existing security group. So for now, because we don't have it, so I want to tick mark these allow HTTP traffic from internet, and also HTTPS and HTTP. After that, there is configuration storage section. So on that one, we have the storage selection. So by default there is 8 KB, but you can choose more than that or less than that. Based on your requirement, you can choose it. And there is a lot of other option, so we will be use that one step by step in the future when we reach to that one. But for now, we don't need any of them, that we will be put that one as is. And we can click on the launch instances. So when I click on the launch instances, it take a little bit time to be run, so that you see the green section, and they have successfully initiated launch of instance, and they give to you the ID of your instance that we already made. So we did our first step, like how we can find it, where is our instance. So to find your instance, you should go back to your instance or EC2. Maybe you can click on the instance, and also there is a dashboard. If you click on the dashboard, you can see instance, how many instances running. We can see one of them, because right now we make only one of them. So if I click on that one, I see the instance that is with test EC2. We make that one and that's running, and we can use it now. So when you select that one, there is a lot of things that we will be discuss each one step by step in the future lectures. Like there is all the details that we have it about the instance summary, like instance ID is there, public IP, private IP about that one, public DNS, instance state that's already running, and also instance type. So this is the type of that one, auto assign IP addresses, VPC ID, all of the details that we wanted about the instance is there. Also there is monitoring. There is a lot of things for monitoring of that instance. If you want to bring some changes in the security, especially in security group, so we can access it from there. If there is some problem, or we want to some information regarding the networking or VPC, so we can find it from there. Also regarding the storage, if you want to bring some changes in the storage, so you can do it from that one. So there is a lot of things, and we will be discuss each one step by step. So to access my instance that I already make it, you can refresh it, and after refreshing, there is two ways that I can run it. First of them is connect, and second one is in the top Cloud Shell. So if I click on the connect, so because we didn't do anything, like we don't have the key pairs, so I want to go connecting using a public IP. So I click on connect, and after a little bit time, yeah, congratulations, finally we have reached our Amazon Linux 2023 run. So in this one, if I say like pwd, I see there is home EC2 user. So maybe if I click on ll, there is no files, and it is an empty, totally empty Linux or empty server that is available from scratch in from now, based on requirement, based on my needs. So I can install each softwares, every files, anything that I want to make it run in this server. I can do it from here. Another step or another way is also there. If I choose this one and I click on the Cloud Shell, also I can go to that one, and from there you can, it take a little bit time. Yes, so from here also we can do all of the activities that we wanted. We can install some software, we can install some file, add some file, remove some file, anything that we want. So that's an empty EC2 that's ready to run our softwares, our servers, and it's ready to use. So these were all the things that we make it. And don't forget, if you use it for study purpose, so you can remove it easily. Like there is a lot of options, but if you go to the instance types, instance state, so there is, you can stop it. If that is stopped, you can start it, reboot it, hibernate, and also terminate or delete. For example, if you use it, if you want to use it only for learning purpose, you can terminate it. And when you click on terminate, and you click on the terminate, so they say successfully initiated termination. That means we terminate our EC2. So this was the first easy ways that we can run our EC2. In the next tutorial, I will be teach to you how to make it automatically run all of the softwares, put the codes for each one, and when we run the EC2, that will be automatically come with all of the softwares. Thanks for your attentions, and see you in the next tutorial.